Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, if you eat something mistakenly, you forget you are fasting, your fasting is still okay. But there is a one sin people are committing inside the masjid. What is the sin? A brother is eating the dead meat of his brother. A brother is eating the dead meat of his brother in month of Ramadan, even inside the masjid. How is it? Allah said, when you are backbiting your brother, chismis, you are eating the flesh of your dead brother. And it is a very shameful that lots of Muslims are backbiting other Muslims. And they are thinking their fasting is okay. If you drink the water, your fasting break. If you eat the piece of a bread, your fasting break. How your fasting is not going to break when you eat the dead meat of your brother? So beware of that. Bad character will nullify your fasting. Even though you are hungry and thirsty for 30 days, Allah is not going to accept your fast if you are backbiting, you are insulting people, you are hurting people, fighting with people. Allah will not accept your fasting. That is the most important part of our fasting. No bad words, no backbiting, no slandering, no hurting people, no destroying people, no slandering people. This is masjid. The greatest masjid is Makkah, Masjidul Haram, the Kaaba. And the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, if you insult a human being, it is a more greater sin than to destroying the Kaaba for 70 times. You are insulting a human being, it is more bigger sin than to destroy the Kaaba, the house of Allah in Makkah, for 70 times. You are insulting a human being in Ramadan, Allah will not accept your fast. So try to see how my fast is going to be acceptable by Allah. What can I do? I should change my character. I become a person with a good character.